Fruit smoothies are the perfect way to cool off all summer long. I'm going to teach you the perfect ratio of ingredients to make your fruit smoothies. You will have endless flavor combinations possible. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here, and you are officially cooking with Karli. Today, let's talk about this yummy, delicious, and chilled drink that we're all drinking all summer long. Fruit smoothies. I know I can't get enough of them, and my kids can't either. And we love to experiment in the kitchen and see what flavors we like the very best. Let's learn about everything that goes into a perfect smoothie, the ratios needed so it's not, too thick, it's not too thin. I've got it all figured out for you. So first thing we need is a liquid. You can use juice, you can use lemonade, you can use any type of liquid that you want. I tend to stick to like apple juice or peach flavored juices. You can find like strawberry banana flavored juices. Those all work great. The next thing we need is some type of creaminess to add into our smoothie. I like to use yogurt. A lot of people will use frozen yogurt, or I don't know how to say this. Sherbet? Which is it? Do you know? I've always said sherbet, but I think that's weird. I think that's not right. But I think there's an R in there. Sherbet? Just like orange flavored frozen. Anyways, yogurt is healthier, and so I usually like to pick up the yogurt. And the last thing you need is frozen fruit. Of course, you can pick this up in your grocery store in the frozen aisle like I have here, or you can definitely freeze your own if you want. Just line a cookie sheet with parchment paper, wash, dry your fruit, slice it up, and then freeze it. And then once it's frozen on that cookie sheet, you can gather them all up and put them into a zip top bag and keep them frozen. You want to freeze them first before putting them in the bag, or else they will just all freeze in one clumpy mess. You don't want that. For this recipe, you'll definitely want to use frozen fruit versus fresh fruit, or else it will be more of like a drink. It'll be really thin. It won't be ice cold and a smoothie like. Just from us playing around, my kids and I have found one of our favorite flavor combinations is just peach and mango. We use a peach flavored juice with vanilla yogurt and peach and mango. Oh, I haven't talked about the ratios yet. When you go to make a smoothie, these are the ingredient amounts that you will need. And as a reminder, in the description below, I'll put a link to the recipes on my website so you can find all of that information. You can print it out so it's easy for you. For our liquid, we're going to use 2 cups of liquid. For the fruit, you want a total of 2 cups of fruit and then 1 6-ounce container of yogurt. And if you're wanting to use like ice cream or frozen yogurt or something like that, you'll just want about 2/3 of a cup. Today, I want to show you how to make 2 of my favorite Jamba Juice copycat smoothie recipes. The first one is strawberry Surfrider. And this is like a strawberry lemonade smoothie, and it's one of my favorites, if not the favorite. But it's hard to have a favorite when it comes to smoothies because they're all just so dang good. To make the copycat strawberry Surfrider, we're going to use 2 cups of lemonade. And my blender here has measurements on the side, so I am just going to use these measurements. Whoa. Do 2 cups of the lemonade. And we want 1 cup each of strawberries and peaches, so a total of 2 cups of fruit. And then we'll add in the lime yogurt. Okay, I needed to open these up. One cup of sliced frozen strawberries going into the blender. Now peach slices are going in. And last but not least, the lime yogurt. The flavor combinations here are just spot on. in this lime yogurt really makes such a big difference. Place the lid on. Give this baby a whirl, shall we? Oh, I love a good smoothie. Oh, you can smell the lemonade. Just gives it just like the slightest tang. Yes. It's so good. If you want yours thicker, you can always add in some more frozen fruit. This is how I prefer mine though. The lemonade and the strawberries together, it's just like has the slightest little, I don't know what else to say besides tang to it, but this is one of my faves. Okay, next, and we're back. I've quickly just rinsed out my blender here. Now let's talk about our second Jamba Juice copycat, and it's either the Caribbean Passion or Caribbean Passion. I don't know how to say it. Comment below actually and let me know, how do you pronounce that smoothie? Because I obviously could use all the help I could get on that one. But to make this smoothie, we are going to use mango flavored juice, orange yogurt, and peaches and strawberries again. So it's just like the last one, but we've switched out our yogurt flavor and the juice flavor, and it makes a massive difference in the final flavor of the smoothie. Let's add in this mango juice. Again, 2 cups. 1 cup each of peaches and strawberries. Whoa. And that's the orange yogurt. Before we get blending this, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up, like button on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the notification bell too, so you don't miss out on any of my recipe videos coming up. We're publishing 2 videos a week. Yes. So right off the bat, you can see there's even a color difference in this smoothie just from that orange yogurt. Yep, you can smell it. Totally different flavor. This one's good too. I don't know which one's my favorite. I could get down with one of these every day. And you know, this is like the perfect, like, sit on your deck, read a book, tan your legs, drink a smoothie, you know? What? Do I have something on my face? There are literally endless combinations that you can make with this simple ratio or formula for making smoothies. You could do a peach raspberry. Done that one. It's delicious. Strawberry mango, peach mango, like endless possibilities with the yogurts and your juices and the fruits. They're always delicious, and you're going to love every single one of them. Now you know exactly how to cool yourself off on all of the hot days this summer. Make yourself a smoothie. Cheers. Have a drink. Drink up? What should I say? Now you know the perfect way to cool yourself down on all of the hot days this summer. Make yourself a smoothie. Cheers. Cheers. They're just both so good. I really don't know which one is better.